Alright guys, today we're on a 97 Buick Park Avenue. We got to do the exterior door handle. Here's the new one. All fancy. Alright, to do this, you got a little cup you got to pull out of here. This black dong is holding it in. And you got to pry up the window switch. Just give it a little pry up here, comes up, slide it forward, because you got to disengage it from that hook and then unplug it. Real simple. Pop your door handle cover off right there, and pop this light out from over here. You just give it a little pry from that side, it'll pop out and plug it. And then you got a little piece to pop out right there, and two screws. And there's one screw that goes right there in there. And that's all the screws, 3 screws. I'll bring you back, show you how to take it off. Alright, I'm going to show you how to take that off. Grab it. There, you're off. Set it down to the side. You don't even have to worry about the wires. Alright. And then you're going to peel this down. Try to gently, without ripping it up too much. It's really cold out here, so everything plastic is just kind of dying. Alright, so we got that peeled down. And you get up in here, and there's a couple bolts you gotta undo. They're kind of hard to see, but I think you can see one right there, and then there's one at the other side. So we'll get them out, bring you back. Alright, we got the 2 bolts out. You're gonna have to pull the bottom of this handle out first, and then tip this front part out and wedge it out. It's kind of a bitch, but you'll get it. Just be gentle. Alright, now down on your lock. Get over here. Down on your lock, you got a little clip right there to pull out, and then your lock cylinder will come out. And you got, where'd it go? That, I can show you that probably right now. Push down. I don't know, it's pretty stiff. I want to be gentle with it because it's old, but Push that down, and usually I can. There. I don't know if you've seen that, but you push that down off that rod. Like that. And then rod will slide out of there, but I'm gonna put a screwdriver on there, pop it apart, bring it back in a bit. Alright, we got the old one out. Here's the new one. Take this clip out, put the lock cylinder in, hook this little dong up, and pop it back in the hole. Top kind of goes in first, pop the bottom in. I'll show you what it looks like when it's in there. Alright guys, that's how it looks fully installed. Works nicely, unlike the last one. Bolts, the one towards the outside there, that way, is a little hard to get in, so good luck. You'll get it, just keep trying. Hard to line up the bolt holes. Put that light in and the screw behind it. Those two screws, I'll pop that plastic trim in a minute. It's in the house, staying warm so it don't break. Trim over the door handle, the window switch, and this little cup thing. A little hard to line up that push pin back there at dong. Push that in. Remember, when you set the door on, you start it up a little above, put it in, and drop it down. Alright? And that's all there is to it. You might have to bend the rod a little to adjust, you know, so it actually works. The rod from the handle to the latch mechanism. Sometimes you gotta bend them, make them longer. Other than that, it's all good. So hope you enjoyed this one. See you guys on the next one. Huh?